Hi again, fourth grade. Yesterday we started talking about the writing process and how there's 5 steps. We did the first step yesterday, pre-writing, and today's step is drafting. Here's my little sticker. Rough draft or drafting. Just start writing. That's basically the theme of drafting day. So I wasn't going to tell you this yesterday, but in my opinion, pre-writing is the hardest day. That's where you have to get all your ideas and you have to put them all on paper. You guys should have a paper that looks something like this with 5 lines, 5 spaces, 1 for each paragraph. Intro, body 1, body 2, body 3, and conclusion. Today, you're going to take another paper and you're going to take these great ideas and put them into sentences. Remember yesterday I said just get it out of your brain, get it onto the paper. Today we take all these great ideas and we put them into nice sentences. I have an example here of what an essay might look like. This is only the beginning of 2 paragraphs, but I want to remind you to indent a little finger space at the beginning. When we're drafting, we suggest you skip a line between paragraphs, indent, and start again. So let me read you what I wrote. I did not write an essay, but I wrote things that you might say. I don't know if you guys can see it, so I'll read it for you. It says, start with a hook to draw your reader in. Usually when you start an essay, you start it with a question that will intrigue your reader and make them want to keep reading. Then you're going to want to introduce your opinion. It is an opinion essay, so if you don't start with an opinion, the whole rest of the essay is going to be a little wonky because we're not quite sure what you are feeling, what your opinion is on the topic. Then segue into your reasons. Most people do this by saying, I will tell you 3 reasons why, let me tell you 3 reasons why. This is kind of like the basic way that you guys have learned, which is fine for now, but when we get into more essays, we're going to want to switch it up a little bit because we have to read that 35 times. Then you start your first body paragraph with your first reason. You look at your planning page, you say, what was my first reason again? Oh yeah, it's right here because I wrote it yesterday. My first reason is blah, blah, blah. Make sure you elaborate and expand on your reason. You should never have a paragraph that's just 1 sentence long because that's not a paragraph, that's a sentence. Your paragraph should be at least 3 sentences. The body paragraphs are probably going to be even more than that. I would say like 5, 6 for a really solid paragraph. So by the end of today, you're going to have taken all your great ideas down from this paper and copied them into nice, neat sentences into paragraphs that form your first opinion essay of 4th grade.